Demo sequence, there are 11 points. How to switch on and switch off the TV, explain to the customer, and where is the switch we need to show to the customer. Input and output ports, explain about all input output ports and what is the usage, and also show how to connect HDMI and optical cable with the TV. Remote pairing process, explain about all the keys of the remote and explain how to pair the remote with the TV. Network connections, explain how to connect home Wi-Fi network and also explain how to connect wired internet through LAN cable. Internet speed, how to download the internet speed tester and how we can able to test the internet speed. Check the internet speed and explain the customer and explain what is the minimum speed is required for online streaming content. Gmail account, explain how to configure Gmail account. Google Assistant, explain how to use Google Assistant through voice control. Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and YouTube, explain to the customer how to use Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and how it will work, how we can able to do the subscriptions, explain to the customer. If the customer is having subscription, log in with the same and explain how to use these applications. Internet browser, explain how to use the browsers. Screen sharing and screencast, explain to the customer how to use Chromecast through Google Home applications, how we can share the mobile screen to the TV. Picture and audio setting, explain how to change the different setting of pictures and sound and how to change the pictures brightness, color, contrast. Also how to change sound settings, bass, treble and any other options.